Most people make Detroit-style pizza in steel. I made mine in cast iron, and the edges might be even better. This is Detroit-style pizza, thick, airy, crispy on the bottom, and crowned with that caramelized cheese edge. The dough is 70% hydration, bread flour, water, salt, yeast, and olive oil. The hydration level gives us an open, airy crumb while still holding the structure in the pan. After mixing to a shaggy dough, I left it rest. The short rest allows the flour to fully hydrate before we build strength. Instead of kneading aggressively, I develop gluten gently with stretch and folds. 4 sets, spaced 30 minutes apart. Each fold builds structure without tightening the dough. By the final fold, it feels smooth, elastic, and resilient. Then it rests overnight in the refrigerator. Cold fermentation deepens flavor and relaxes the gluten. It makes the dough easier to press and more expressive in the oven. Time to make the sauce. Oregano, basil, thyme, and a touch of red pepper flakes bloom in the oil. Crushed tomatoes and a little water. Simmer gently until it coats the back of the spoon. Thick enough to sit proud, not heavy. I am baking this in a 10-inch cast iron pan. Cast iron stores heat differently than steel. It holds energy. So I grease it generously. Neutral oil for crispness, a little butter for clean release, and the pan stays at room temperature, no preheating. The dough goes in gently, no forcing it into the edges. Because this is a smaller pan with the same dough weight, it rises taller. After 75 to 90 minutes, the surface is airy and slightly jiggly. That's your cue. Cheese goes down first, edge to edge. Push it right against the pan walls. The contact creates the signature frico crust. A little Parmesan for depth, pepperoni for richness. Then sauce goes on top in dollops. That's classic Detroit layering. A few slices of green bell pepper for brightness and contrast, and a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil before baking. 500 degrees, lower red. Cast iron runs hot, so I start checking at 14 minutes mark. You're looking for deep golden edges, bubbling cheese, and a well-browned bottom. Release and reveal. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Run a knife along the edge and lift it out. The caramelized cheese crown, that's a frico, crisp bottom. Tall, pillowy interior. Edges that crackles when you bite in. At Lay's Kitchen, where flavors are without borders. I'll see you at the next table.